Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello? Yo, I can't play. It's so spicy. Oh, bitch. Chill. Excuse me, hello? Educate game. Is that Viper? Excuse me, God. What is the S12 build? Bless up. I don't know which one to build. 1 or 2? I think 1. So I guess we're not playing for the turret. Yo. That was like kinda sus. That was really sus. They're too good for how low elo. Oh. Excuse me, sorry. GG's. Hit that turret, beast. Hello? I'm gonna queue one more, and I have to do my sponsor. Excuse me. Clipboard. Clipboard. Go, please. Is it? No, it's like. How do people wait for the. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, bye. What the fuck, y'all? Excuse me. Hello? Yes. What is this Rek'Sai build? I landed a good ult. What the? Excuse. I'm lagging. Help. Hello, everybody. Hey. Excuse me. God bless, I can't. Excuse me. Good night, guys. It was fun. Excusez-moi. Hello? Olivia. Are you gonna W Lee Sin like you are so bad? Excuse me. What are you? Excusez-moi. There's nothing to get heated about. I am not kidding, man. Oh my god. Yes. Why is her offensive, rude? Excuse me. Excuse me. What are keep pressing that? Did I overstay too? Legit trolls. Viable? 3 points from watching on your phone. Bless up. Basically. I'm so homeless. Yes. When I play in pistol, like I can probably take it against melee. Sarah rank. Volibear, Kazante. Yes. Steal a brain rot. Say that you a lesbian girl. Peace out. Peace out. What the fuck is happening? My face. Excuse. This art build is tough. Can this fucking song valid? Don't come too close. Like low. Easy. I'm scared.